Good morning, everyone. My name is Shekhar Reddy, Senior IIT JEE NEET faculty. So today we are going to discuss about the intensity of electric field due to a charged ring. Intensity of electric field due to a charged ring. So in previous lessons we will discuss about intensity of electric field, straight conductor of and intensity of electric field due to the point charge under different conditions. Now, we'll discuss our topic mean electric field due to a uniformly charged ring. So, like ring mean, so like this is uniformly charged ring. Charged throughout the ring distributed uniformly. So, our aim in here, intensity electric field. So, we know that like point charge means intensity electric field, point charge in particular distance. E is equal to K Q by R square. Like a charge distributed throughout the circular ring, throughout the circular ring. Our aim is to find, so here E8 E8 point P on the axis of the ring. Of the ring. So now consider circular ring. Like this is circular ring of charge G distributed. So charge distributed uniformly. The radius of the ring will be R, and this is center of the ring. Like this axis. That means like this is charge range. Like center this point, axis. That means axis perpendicular to plane of the ring. Like this is totally plane of the ring. Charge distributed throughout the circle ring. Our aim is to find the intensity on the axis. On the axis at distance x. The distance let be center to this point. Point P is x. Our aim is to find the point P. So like this is not point charge. So we know that one point charge is considered at this point. Here intensity is equal to formula. K is equal to K Q by X square. Like this is due to the point charge. But this is not point charge. Charge is distributed throughout the circular ring. So our aim is to find the intensity on the axis at point P. The axis center of the circular ring to the point let be X. We will find out at X distance intensity of electric field. So let's consider one of the small elemental charge dq. dq at point A. So due to small elemental charge, we'll find the intensity at this point. The distance from the elemental charge will be R. So here dq consider as point charge, the intensity of the field. due to small element developed DE as shown in figure. So here PE, the intensity makes an angle theta with the x-axis, like this angle, these are similar angles. So we know that any, like this is intersection is a vector, any vector makes an angle theta x direction that can be resolved to components. Like along the x direction component, that vector into cos theta. Along vertical direction, vector into sin theta. So this formula we know that intensity due to this one E at point P due to dq at A is d is equal to k charge mean dq by what is the distance r square. So this d is resolved to component, horizontal component and vertical component. Now consider another small elemental charge dq at point B. These are symmetrically opposite direction. Exactly. dq here dA both are opposite direction. Due to these small element, intensity as shown in like this is angle, this is angle. These are similar angles. Same thing, this d also resolved to components along x direction. d cos theta, y direction, d sin theta, y direction, d sin theta. So here d sin theta due to this one downward direction, d sin theta due to this one exactly opposite direction. So these are equal and opposite direction. Equal and opposite direction, these two are cancelled. And that means by symmetry, all the vertical components, all the perpendicular components to the axis, like this is d perpendicular to the axis, this d also perpendicular to the axis will be cancelled. Due to symmetry, of the ring, the components perpendicular to the axis will be cancelled. That is electricity due to sine components becomes to zero. So that means since these and like this one opposite direction equal and opposite, this will be becomes to zero. Now net electric field at point P only components along the axis will be added up. Add up means integration. Now, what is the horizontal component D? So that means here, therefore, net electricity E net is equal to integration of d cos theta. Integration of d cos theta. So all elements. So d cos theta integrated will get the total value. So we know that d value of what? Integration k q by x square from figure cos theta is equal. Cos theta means adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side meaning x, hypotenuse meaning r. Okay, the cancel. So that is equal to how much? Integration of k x dq by r cube. dq by r cube. Here x is equal or small r. These are all constant values, same value. The variable only charge. So therefore, A net is equal to k x by r cube integration of dq. Integration of dq. A net is equal to kx by r cube integration of dq value how much? Q. Integration of dq value q. From figure r square is equal to r square means hypotenuse square is equal to how much? Base square or height square plus base square. Your height means radius of the circular ring. So base is equal to x of the ring. So that means here r square plus x square. R is equal to x square whole power 1 by 2. This value is substituting here. Therefore, E net is equal to q x by r square plus x square. Here 1 by 2. Therefore, 3 is there. Three by 2. So this is the net electric field at the center of the circular field. This is net electric field at the center of the circular field. Center of the circular field. Circular field. So you should remember most important this formula if it is asking intensity of electric field at the center of the circular field due to the equal charge distribution of one E net is equal to k qx by r square plus x square whole power 3 by 2. If x is equal to 0, that is E net is equal to E center. So x value is substituting here. Therefore, E center is equal to how much? E center is equal to 0. E center is equal to 0. If x is greater than or x greater than or. So x is greater than or means like this is circular ring. The x up to here. Then we know that the radius of the circular ring with comparison to distance on the axis is very small That means radius can be cancelled or can be neglected. That means it is acts as a point charge. So in this formula, R is neglected. That means here R square plus x square approximately equal to x square. So this is becomes to 0. So therefore E net is equal k qx by this value totally how much? X square. So x square 1 more 3 by 2 x power 6 by 2. That means x cube. E net is equal k cube by x get cancelled. X square. X get cancelled. X square remaining. So here y is greater than oh sorry x is greater than or. For x is equal to infinity. For x is equal infinity. Now this value substituting here. 1 by infinity value how much? 0. Therefore, E net is equal 0. And exactly like this is total charge on the axis at any point. So exactly center 0 at any point distance also E net 0. E net 0. Next to E max. E max. For E max, dE by dx is equal to 0. dE by dx is equal to 0. That means here dE by dx, where what is the E value? D by dx, E value is equal to how much? K kx by r square plus so this value we know that d by dx, this value how much? K kx by r square plus x square whole power 3 by 2. That is equal to 0. So here k constant, q constant. Now d by dx of x by r square plus x square whole power 3 by 2, that is equal to 0. That is equal to 0. So this is we know that is mathematical form. D by dx of u by v is equal b du by dx minus u dv by dx by v square. This is mathematical form. So like this is transfer that side, this becomes 0. That means remaining d by dx of x by r square plus x square whole power 3 by 2. That is equal to 0. That is equal to 0. So according to this principle, here b means this one. R square plus x square whole power 3 by 2. Next to du, that means dx. dx is differentiation how much? 1 minus u mean x dv value how much? R square plus x square whole power 3 by 2. This means x power n dx, d by dx of x power n, d by dx of x power n is equal to how much? You know that d by dx of x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1. So your power is 3 by 2 r square plus x square whole power 3 by 2 minus 1. 3 by 2 minus 1. 3 by 2 minus 1 means that is equal to LCM 2. 3 minus 2. 1 by 2. This is equal to 0. So this is we have to write r square plus x square whole power 3 by 2 into r square plus x square whole power 1. This value we have to write. R square plus x square whole power 1 by 2 into r square plus x square whole power 1. So 1 no need of write. Sorry, next is second level. Sorry. Yeah, derivative of differentiation of this one to x. Here 2 to get cancelled. So this value how much? 3 into x. 3x and x, 3x square r square plus x square whole power 1 by 2 that is equal to 0. Here what is the common? R square plus x square whole power 1 by 2, r square plus x square whole power 1 by 2. Remaining term of this cross of that side. R square plus x square minus 3x square is equal to 0. After common, that is transfer that side, that becomes 0. So that means here r square plus x square is equal to 3x square. That means r square is equal to 3x square, this is on that side minus 2x square. Sorry, 3x square minus x square, 2x square. Therefore, x square is equal to r square by 2. X is equal to plus or minus under of r by root 2. R by root 2. So, where at what point the value of Emax at x is equal to r distance, therefore, at x is equal plus or minus r by root 2 distance is maximum. Is maximum. But here Emax how much? How much Emax? For Emax purpose, this value is substituting in this equation. E maximum. E max is equal to x value substituting here. Okay, then x mean r by root 2 here r square plus r square by 2 whole power 3 by 2. K cube by k q r by root 2. So this value 3r square by 2 whole power 3 by 2. 3r square by 2 whole power 3 by 2. So this value we have to write So 3r square whole power 3 by 2. So that means 3r square by 2. So this value we have to write this one. So that means here this is 3 times root 3 r square by 2 into root 3 r square by 2. That is remaining is equal to how much? 3 r square by 2. Next remaining only this value root 3 by or root 3 r square by 2 remaining. That means root 3 by 2. Or this value substituting here. P max is equal to KQR by root 2. This is 3r square by 3r square by fractional fraction. So here 2 we have to write in numerator. Like this is root 3 by root 2. Here root 3. Sorry, root 3 here root 2. 1 by r remaining. So this r get cancelled, root 2 get cancelled. So that means E max is equal to K 2k q by 3 root 3 r square. This value we know that E max is equal to 3 by root 3, k value 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square. This is E max. This term is E max. Now we'll draw the graph between E and X. E and X. Y-axis. On y-axis we'll take intensity, on x-axis we'll take distance. So we know that exactly center of the circular ring E0, that will here EC. X is equal to infinity. E becomes 0, E center 0. So at this point, E value is the maximum value. That means X is equal plus R by 2. R by root 2. E max value was this one. At the same time, negative direction. Yeah, X is equal to minus R by root 2. So this side E is greater than 0. This side is less than 0. So that means EC at 0, E center 0, E at R by root 2 maximum, E infinity also 0. This is graph shown here. Okay, thank you.